If you are struggling to grow your hair, you have tried so many things to prevent hair breakage, hair fall, or any kind of hair damage, but nothing seems to work. This DIY recipe is a very simple one that anybody can prepare. All you need is one natural ingredient, very powerful natural ingredient that I love for my hair. This natural ingredient is very easy to find, it's very affordable, and you can find this in any grocery store. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I really do appreciate you clicking on today's video. So this natural ingredient is bay leaves. Bay leaves are so powerful. They have antioxidants and antifungal properties that can treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. If you have anything going on your scalp, it makes it hard for new hair to grow in. New hair grows from the scalp, so you always want to make sure your scalp area is healthy and ready to welcome the new growth. Bay leaves can also help condition your hair, add some shine to your hair, and protect your hair strand. So what it does is it is going to prevent hair breakage, hair fall, hair thinning. So if you are going through any of these problems, using bay leaves should be your first choice. Bay leaves also have antioxidant properties that can also protect your hair from breakage. If you haven't tried using bay leaves yet, then you're really missing out on something good. So to start with, I always make sure to wash my natural ingredients at least twice. These leaves have been sitting in the grocery stores on the market collecting dust, so please make sure you do a good job when washing them. And hey you all, you know how we do it here, but if you are new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so what I did was I added some few bay leaves into a saucepan, then I top it up with some water. There is no specific measurement when it comes to this DIY recipe. It is all natural, so too much or too less is not going to harm your hair in any way. So after that, I put it on the stove, and once it starts to boil, you're going to let it boil for about 10 minutes. Do not overboil your bay leaves. After 10 minutes, you're going to set it aside, allow it to cool down, then you can strain it. Look at how beautiful this DIY hair growth recipe is already looking. This recipe is super powerful, but there are a few things you can also add to even make this DIY recipe work much better. You don't have to add them if you do not have them. Natural bay leaves are great for hair growth by itself, but if you have menthol, menthol is great for the scalp. Aside loving the smell of menthol, I love the tingling effects it gives to the scalp. It is very soothing to the scalp. It can help stop itchiness. So once in a while, I add just a few menthol to my DIY recipes. Menthol is very, very potent, so do not add more than necessary. You should always add less than 1% to any DIY recipe. This is castor oil. Castor oil is a very thick oil that is great for the hair. It will condition your hair to prevent hair breakage and strengthen your hair strands. You don't need much. With this quantity, I added about a tablespoon of my castor oil. It is very important you add some kind of oil to your DIY hair growth spray. If you do not have castor oil, you can always replace it with either olive oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, or any plant-based oil. This is rosemary essential oil. I love essential oils in my DIY recipe. Aside the fact that I love the smell it gives to any DIY recipe, it also has its own benefits that adds up to any DIY recipe. Rosemary essential oil can treat your scalp from dandruff, itchiness. It can also help stimulate blood flow to your scalp to help you grow your hair much healthier and faster. Once I have everything all mixed in well, I'm going to transfer my DIY recipe into my mason jars and also my spray bottle. And I'm going to show you the best way to use this DIY recipe in order to get all the benefits out of it. If you're still watching this video and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so at this point, our DIY hair growth spray is all ready. As you know, bay leaves can help stimulate blood flow to your scalp and help you grow your hair much healthier. So you want to make sure you spray this on your scalp, massage it into your hair, and also whenever you are done using this, follow with a leave-in conditioner and a hair moisturizer to lock in the moisture. Also, make sure you are using it at least 4 times in a week. Leave any leftovers in a refrigerator and discard after 5 days. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if this is something you would love to try at home.